Hello and welcome to GENAI from Robotniks. My name is 𝐒𝐢𝐬𝐢𝐻 and today I would like to show you what's possible with this Unix solution. In the background you see real footage of our GENAI box. At the heart of each GENAI system is what we call a brain cell. A brain cell is a swappable SSD with a storage capacity from 1 to up 8 terabytes. Each brain cell can host a complete solution. Everything is included. This means you can swap different applications as easy as you are changing a game on a Nintendo console. Everything you need to run an AI application in your own network is stored on each brain cell. No developer, no engineer is required. When you boot up a brain cell, clear instructions appear on the OLD display, including the IP address, for example. Simply enter this IP address into any browser in your network and the application starts automatically. We offer a variety of brain cell different applications. For example, today let me introduce our own customized fine-tuned RB vision model. It's a large language customized model for design for computer vision tasks powered by GENAI. So let's have a closer look. So here you see the interface. So we give the customer the main interface, which is easy for an example to communicate with the model in a browser. We also have an API, that means an application programming interface, where you can integrate each model into your pipeline. Let me first test here with the security image. So we have a security camera that injects to the RB vision model an image and want to understand the situation. So think about if we have thousands of security cameras and you cannot view everyone at the same time. So this model is perfect for this. We also offer you, the customer, a prompt how you can communicate with this model. As you can see, the model is so fast on the GENAI box that it predicts the image and gives the correct description what it sees. So in this example, the image shows two individuals attempting to break into an ATM using a large tool. If you want to have a more compressed information, so this is human readable output, you can tell the model that you want to have something like more in a well-formatted JSON object, yeah? And we also can communicate and tell the model with another prompt that we say, okay, convert your finding into a small well-formatted JSON object. And as you can see now here, you get a very good compressed JSON format that you can send to a notification alert system, for example. Yeah, so that the box can call someone or send an SMS or a message or WhatsApp. This is also possible when it detects a potential threat and illegal activity. Let's switch into a completely another scenario, same model, but at this time we have 𝐸𝐸 from a restaurant, for example, and we also load it here in the box. Don't forget, everything is running on the box, not in the cloud. No subscription is required. And we also need a prompt. So that means we give the model instruction that we say, you are an AI expert and we want to extract the information from the 𝐸𝐸. We also submit this. Yeah, and as you can see here, the provided 𝐸𝐸 contain detail of meal purchased, 𝐒𝐥 and 𝐸𝐸𝐼, including the date, your meal details, the amount of what the item was, the subtotal, the sales tax. Again, everything is read from this image, yeah? And let me also jump into the power consumption here so that you can see how much power it is. So let me start this again with another prompt here that we get more focus detail. And as you can see here at the bottom, that the total watts, the power consumption of this whole system requires just 40 watts. 40 watts, that is nothing. Yeah, so desktop GPU requires 500, 800, 1.2 kilowatts. They have, of course, more performance to separate same task at the same time. But if you queue this here in the GENAI box, yeah, you see how less power consumption is required to run this model with over 9 billion of parameters. And when we go into the idle, so that means the system is ready, you can see that we put the system down to 5 watts. So in silent mode, to offer the application, it's just 5 watts. Yeah. So this gives you a very short description what the system is doing. We will change the application more and more with more videos. And let me know, hope you like it. Yeah. And thanks for your time.